The Harpy Eagle, a colossal and muscular raptor, stands tall over the awakening Amazon.
In a display of breathtaking speed, the Harpy Eagle secures its meal, a stark reminder of the brutal beauty of the rainforest ecosystem.
With a wingspan reaching over 7 feet, the Harpy Eagle commands the sky, a symbol of the Amazon's.
The Harpy Eagle, a true giant of the Amazon, exhibits surprising tenderness when feeding its young. With a wingspan reaching 2.3 meters, the Harpy Eagle soars gracefully through the intricate layers of the canopy.